Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the downs being necessary for the ups in life. So, let's just get right into it. If we were humans that never experienced displeasure, discomfort, pain, any type of negative emotion, the positive emotions would be less. They wouldn't feel as good. It would make life boring. It would make life not worth living. The downs are necessary for life to be worth living. It makes life beautiful. There is no beautiful landscapes, beautiful people, beautiful anything without there also being ugly and boring things. You can't just have one side. You need to have both to understand how great the beautiful thing is. And yes, we can talk about how there is beauty in the ugly side of things, but that's for a different video. This is just talking about the downs being necessary for the ups in life. So, whatever pain you're going through, you will get over it. There is nothing in this life that will last forever. Nothing in your life will last forever. No matter how bad the time feels, no matter how bad the situation you are in, it will pass. No matter how good the situation you are in, the environment you're in, it will pass eventually. Nothing lasts forever. Especially in humanity. Nothing lasts forever. And you can either look at the downs in your life as you being a victim with the life you were given, and it's not in your capability to improve your situation. Or you can look at it as you were given a bad hand, but that also caused you to be more motivated than people that were gifted everything in life. Because some people grew up rich. Like, I know somebody that grew up rich and he's not doing so well. He never had the want for a better life because everything could be given to him. There was no drive for better. And yeah, you might, maybe as a child you wish you grew up rich, but I don't think that's the best situation, growing up rich. I also don't think the best situation is growing up poor, but if you were never tested, you never struggled, you grew up in a family where your parents never made you struggle, made you go out of your comfort zone, pushing yourself physically, mentally to be better, then you won't have what it takes. So don't think of yourself as a victim, because the pain is necessary for you to grow. Pain is the main motivator for change and for growth. And it's necessary to feel pain. And another thing is, when you try to avoid pain by these short-term pleasures, say scrolling on your phone or whatever short-term pleasure, drugs, women, whatever short-term pleasure you can think of, you're you're avoiding the pain. You're not embracing it, which leads to you not being as motivated to better your life. Leads to you not growing as a person and getting closer to your goals and your dreams. It leads to you being a weaker person as a whole. And if you don't want to struggle to be the best person you can, you know what, that's okay. But I want to be talking to people that want the best for their life and that are ready to get after it and that want to be something great, be the best version of themselves they possibly can. And talking to those people, the pain, the discomfort, the displeasure, it's all necessary. It grows you to being a truly strong individual. So that's about all I have to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope I see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.